Hey friends, if you encounter USB Composite device driver error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the hardware and devices troubleshooter. So press the Windows key and the R button together to open the run window. Type the command msdt.exe space -id space device diagnostic and hit enter. This will open the hardware and devices troubleshooter. Click on next and it will start detecting problems and maybe resolve them if possible. The next solution is to update the USB drivers, and this will be the final one because there's not much we can do about it. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Expand the list for universal serial bus controllers. Right click on USB root hub and select update driver. Search automatically for drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.